How to fuse a fault tamer. So this is a 15 kV fault tamer made by S&C. And the first step is to take this off. Pop this out. Then you can unscrew this. Now this is kind of cool because this part, when the fuse is in there, it's held down and there's a spring here, so I guess it doesn't break it when you close in the cutout. The second step is threading this onto here. Pull this out and then fish this through the hole. I guess it'll stretch out. And I guess you have to pull it really tight and then it clips into here. I don't think that was on video, but you have to pull it really tight and then this will kind of clip in around here. Then you can take this out, screw the cap on. I assume hand tight would work. Insert this, tighten this, hand tight, and then now you've fused your fault tamer.
I have a Discord server, link is in the description. Please subscribe.